Welcome back, everybody. I'm still working on this damn Ranger. Today I'm putting a compression fitting on the lines I cut to the radiator. So if you ever have any lines that you need to cut or anything, don't panic. You can fix them with compression fittings. I'm going to show you how to do that. Sorry about the sun glare, but these are compression fittings. You know, people use them for like brake lines and stuff, but we use them for also if you have to cut lines on a radiator or anything. All right, this is what you need to do. They're pretty simple. I'll show you step by step. Okay, so first thing you need to do is unscrew the fitting, and you'll see that little ring down in here. You sit it right over top of the line, so it sits there like this. And you take this other piece and you screw it down in here. Make sure you got a straight line to do this on. Don't do it in a curved area or anything like that. Then you'll put yourself in a pain in the butt situation. But make sure it sits there about like that. You can see it's on there. There, sitting on the line. So now I need to take and sit this on the inside of the other line and take it down and screw it in together. And I'll do that here in just a second. I gotta get the radiator in here. But this is my other cut piece of line. Now I just gotta put this piece on there so when I bring it down I can screw it onto that. We'll see. Alright, first I'm tightening this up. I already got the compression on there. So we're going to tighten her up on here. I hope it stays sealed at this top. This looks like they used some kind of thread stuff. Whoever worked on it last time. I don't know if it's a mechanic or my girlfriend's grandfather or what, but one of them did. I think that might be good enough. Yep, moving that line, so as far as I'm gonna be able to go with it. Had to put the phone down for a second. I got the compression fittings on there. I just got a GoPro and stuff too, so I'll be able to start wearing those while I film. I just gotta get them linked to my account and phone and everything else. But it's on there. Now I just gotta tighten them up. All right, so I almost forgot how to get under here and connect these lines back up the radiator at the bottom down here. Last little bit I'm doing here. I just gotta get this placed onto that and we'll be good. I got everything back together now. I'm gonna pour some antifreeze down in here, check for leaks. I believe I got everything hooked up. I'm gonna double check also before I fire it up, get all my damn tools out of the way. But let's get her going. Let's get some antifreeze in this shit box. Ford fucking Ranger. Oh, tizzy. Yes. Guess I really won't know till I start it. Pressure gets in it. So get her good and filled up. I know a lot of people, you know, use throw water and stuff, but make sure by winter time that water's out of your block, or you put some antifreeze in with it. So you don't want that water freezing and expanding and cracking your block or nothing. Sometimes you gotta put redneck ways to the side and do things the right way. Make sure you winterize your vehicles, people. You're gonna have a major issue on your hand. We're about out of that. That was, oh man, now I made a mess with my funnel. A little too crazy with it. I think we're still a little empty in there. I think I got a little more I can put in here. Wiping the mess I got. Make sure that ain't gonna be leaking. I'm gonna wipe the mess that I made. Sometimes I get ahead of myself sometimes, and I'm about to forget to clamp this hose over here too. Use my brain a little bit and find the pliers that I now misplaced. Where my damn pliers go? Just tying this hose over here. Go. Alrighty, let me see how much more antifreeze I can fit in here. Hopefully that's what's in here. Some of these jugs I need to, yeah, that's what it looks like. Yep. Some awful syrupy, older than hell. Hopefully it does the job. This stuff's been kind of sitting in my garage too long. This one has to have water with it. That's why. Yeah. That is why. So, let me see if I got any more pictures. don't look good. Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna put that in there. It also could be where the water was fizzy. Oh, I didn't put my overflow hose in. Get a mess. So everything's hooked up, got the battery in her. Everything's like good on there. So I reckon we can give her a fire and make sure that she sounds all right. I hope everything goes well. I can't afford much more chaos. The Ranger's finally up and going. I hope this is all good and going now. Sounding nice and smooth.